let me show you how you can install apps from unknown sources on Realme 14 Pro. So I'm gonna show you how you can do this by using an Huawei application, for example. And all you have to do is just to open your browser on your device, like in my case. And at the top, just input the name of your application. So now I will actually get into this one. And as you can see, you just have to find that application, the APK file of the application, and you will have to just install it. So it depends on the website that you are. Just simply go and find the install or download button and select download via browser if you have this second option to select. We just have to do this by using browser. As you can see now, it's downloading file, so we can go into details and check it out. So when the download is finished, you will have to click on the three dots and select open, but if you don't have this one, just tap on the file that you download. Now as you can see, we have to click on the settings and allow installation from unknown sources. So click on the switcher, then click install. And as you can see now, it's working. So all you have to do right now is just to simply follow on-screen instructions. And if you have something like this one, the unsafe app blocked, as you can see, we have to click on the more details. And what we have to do is just to click here and select install anyway. So that's how we can actually do this. And now you can just open it. If you find it useful, please leave a like and a comment below.